let's go ahead and get our butt screws and get our lever. And we're going to take this door up. I be losing stuff all the time, man. Where's my lever? All right, I think I left my lever in the other room. BRB. That's internet talk for. I'll be right back. All right, here we go. My trusty lever. So let me throw this door up here, and I'll probably bounce after that. So let's get this door over here. Everything lined up. Watch how easy this is. Watch how easy this is. Got dog it. See? I jinxed myself. Talking cash trash. All right, let's try this again. It's a right door. It's supposed to be easy. Oh my God, I'm making this so hard. It's never this hard on the right side. All right, I got it this time. So heavy door. I feel like I'm losing my pants. There we go. I got it. Like, all right. See how easy that was? Like, so let's go ahead and screw them off. I got a Pokemon. This right here is my awl I use for a pokey, right? So poke it in there. So poke it in there and line it up real good. All right, got it done. Door's hanging. Sheesh, sheesh. All right, now let's get our reveal together. All in together now. Close the door, it's closing really good. I'm really flush on the inside here. I really like that right there. And that's it, man. That's it for me. That's it for Handy Danny. I'm gonna go blow my nose and, have a good Saturday.